Thank you. Oh boy. You do. I can get them.
Because Dom's loading the dishwasher.
Okay. All right, let's get things started. What's up, Anthony? You were first. What's up, Crypto Cruise? Coming in very close second. What is up, Grayson? Sure, we'll check that out after we look at Bitcoin. And yeah, hello everybody. Welcome back. Happy Monday. I would say it was a lackluster day. Also, as soon as I went live, wife walked in here and gave me food. So yeah. We have lasagna. Anyways. So looking at Bitcoin right now. We're looking at this. Actually, let's look at the Coinbase chart that I looked at the other day. The heck? Benjamin Schaefer, thank you so much for the sub. How we doing today? Welcome in, welcome in. So looking at Bitcoin like this makes it look a bit more interesting. So we had this downtrending level of resistance. We have broken out of it. We held it as support all day. Now it does look like we could see some upside. We're just going to wait around and find out. But upside potential at this moment in time to get to the top of the channel, we could be looking at anywhere between 5.76 all the way out to 7.29. So looking pretty good. If we look at our normal chart here, if this thing breaks out of this idea of a bull flag, then we might see price go all the way up to 109,385. So Bitcoin looking super bullish, looking like it's trying to continue its parabolic move. Hopefully we don't see any type of weirdness happen in the markets, especially considering the nastiness that's happening overseas, and now World War III could happen. So just keep that in mind. Black Swan events, they could happen, especially now that Ukraine has long-range missiles. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. Go current administration. Let's check out the heat map on CoinGlass. So this is checking out all the liquidations on Bitcoin for the 24 hours. Nobody's going long. There's hardly any longs here. You have this huge short squeeze that could happen at $92,929. Maybe that's why we reversed right there earlier today. Who knows? Let's go ahead and check out the weekly. Checking out the weekly, we did take out a lot of shorts, but it was a liquidity grab. That's kind of frustrating. Oh well. Oh well. This is the life we live. Liquidity grab happened, so there was $162 million that got liquidated, and then there was a bit more over the top, but looking on the weekly, $123 million at 92,900. So not very much in the longs category. We're just waiting on more shorts to gather up, I guess. Sheesh. It's absolutely insane. Alrighty. So right now, Bitcoin, we are seeing it should be able to go upwards. It should, because your 4 hours getting very close to your 50 simple moving average. Stochastic's low. You're sitting in neutral territory, and it does look like the MACD is ready to flip to the bullish side of things. So if we do get this move to the upside, it's going to be absolutely fantastic. Let's see if our altcoins have a chance to breathe. So altcoins, we're going to check that out real fast. Ugh. Bitcoin dominance is rising, finding support off of this rising wedge pattern. First time you fell through it. Second time you are finding some stronger support. Let's hope a dump is not coming, because that would be absolutely frustrating. And if it does, well, you could see Bitcoin dominance would more than likely rise up very fast. So there is that. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out PAL, whatever that is. What's up, Crypto Naughty? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. So it's PAL AI. Okay, we've checked this out before. What a nasty chart. Oh, God. You whipsawed on the 4 hour? Oh, my God. It's gross. Ew. ICP? Sure, Anthony. I got you. Alright, we can get rid of these trend lines, I guess. The hell happened? Positive, you got back into accumulation range. I guess that's okay. But you got rejected hard from this 33,299. Oh my, in a single day, you lost 65%? What happened? Nah, I wouldn't touch this thing with a 10-foot pole. I would want to know what happened. I want a double bottom. I want to know the sellers are done. I wouldn't touch this thing. I don't like that. They had some controversy. Well, they pissed somebody off, and they were holding a lot. They shouldn't have done that. So automatically, this, in my opinion, off limits until you set a bottom. Completely off limits. About to be the new Luna. I mean, who knows? Maybe. Because, I mean, you were setting higher lows, and then you shat the bed. Like, you can't do that. This wick down even showed all of this is not support. The fact that you got that low is a real problem. Great, you held 11.3 on the daily, but now you're going to have to go down there and touch it again just to give any form of confidence and hold it as support. Before that, I would never touch this thing. It looks gross. I would not gamble that. That movement, a 65% day to the downside, nah, that's not going to go unpunished. That's a problem. that's a real problem. So I guess maybe if you were looking to trade this thing, maybe find support down here like 6.378. That might be a good opportunity, but it's just that 65% day. I just nope, not at all. Wouldn't touch it. Just messing with you, Crypto Naughty. What? No way, Luna was another monster. Well, Luna, that was an accounting error based off bad code. Never back your stable coin with your own crypto. That's what we learned. The algorithm just couldn't keep up. What a shame. It was doing so well. Damn. Alright, anyways. ICP. ICP is trying its damnedest to stay broken out. On the daily, you do have a confirmed breakout of this consolidation. So what you would expect is a move up to 15,696. And let's see if the lower time frames want it. Ooh, your 4 hour wants to try. Only issue I see here is you're below trend, but you are above your 50 simple. You got a rounded bottom here. This is great. Let's check your 1 hour. 1 hour wants to reset, so you're probably going to consolidate more, which is annoying, but you are also putting in this new lower high, which is a problem as well. So now it's going to be like, oh, you got to break out of that after you've already broken out. It's frustrating. So frustrating. But you do have a new downtrend here. All you got to do is maintain higher lows. It'll break out eventually. It's just really frustrating what it's doing on the 1 hour. Let's check the 15 minute. Oh, and your 15 minute looks absolutely gorgeous. Great. Awesome. Love it. Little indecisive here. Crypto Cruise, gotta look at HBAR. HBAR went nuclear. I can tell you what HBAR did. It went crazy. Are you trying to see areas in which to take profit? Because that ship has sailed for jumping into brand new trades. So yeah, if we can manage to break this resistance, get a nice little reset on our indicators, we could see ICP going up somewhere in the neighborhood of 69%. Actually, from where you're sitting right at this moment, 66.58% to your next overhead resistance. So ICP is set up very well. You just need to maintain support. So I really do hope this Ukraine situation doesn't get out of hand now that the US is sending not only another $6 billion, but also missiles. I don't know if the $6 billion got approved or not, but I know Biden can send missiles if he wants to, which kind of sucks. We can check out HBAR, then we're going to check out Optimism. Christian, what's up? Hello, hello. Welcome in. Welcome in. Dang, Caspa's still going up. See, you guys don't even care about Caspa. Told you last night, things going up 17%. Y'all were like, whatever, bro. Nah. Fuck, we've sent hella to Ukraine already. We have. We really have. Like, we sent more than their GDP. I'm shocked. There has to be money laundering. There has to be. There's no way there isn't. Alright, I'm supposed to be looking at HBAR. I'm not even in the H's. What am I doing here? What are we doing? Let me see. HBAR. HBAR up another 3%. If you continue this rampage, 17,152 is the next target. That's really all I can say about that. I'm not even kidding. You should look into what we were paying for with half of the actual cash we were sending over there. We were paying for like retirees' pensions. I'm shocked by that. We're paying people's retirement in other countries, and we're giving Lahaina $700. Excuse me? Like, what? We're giving North Carolina people a loan $750. We're paying people's retirement. Damn. It's unbelievable. What's up, Max? How we doing? Flint, Michigan still doesn't have clean water? Still? Did Ohio ever get clean water after that chemical spill? Just curious. Sol's going to flip ETH soon, you think? You think? I mean, Sol needs to flip Tether first. It's got a ways to go to flip ETH. It's gonna be, yeah. We're doing all right, Adam. I'm just trying to see where the hidden bearish divergence is. Oh, it's on the 1 hour. 1 hour hidden bearish divergence on HBAR. So possibly that 17,152, you'll be looking for some form of pullback. Possibly, not saying it will happen for sure. There was talk about ETH being a security. Yeah, no, they failed on that one. ETH is definitely not a security. It's just trash. It can't help it. Alright, so HBAR on the 15 minutes showing you could start seeing that final leg up. Maybe final leg could break through. But based off your hidden bearish divergence, I would expect a pullback once you hit this level of resistance. I could be wrong. Caspa listing on Kraken is tomorrow. Nice. Nice. Hopefully there is a Kraken effect. I know it's not nearly as much as getting on Coinbase or on Binance. So HBAR looking just fine where it's at. Sell the news, then rip. What's up, Chewy? How you doing? Alright. Gotta check out OP next. Nothing compared to Coinbase? That's true. That is very true. Where's OP? Where the op at? Alright, OP. I'm interested more to see OP than, like, something that's already taken a moonshot. Everybody in here like, oh my god, check out this thing that went crazy. I don't care. If you're like, I need profit-taking levels. Alright, fine. We'll check that out. Yeah, profit-taking levels make sense. But if you're like, hey, can I get in? No. No, you can't. You missed that opportunity. All of them? What coins are you watching? Yeah, Chewy's right. I literally watch all of them. I really do. Let's redraw this. I haven't taken a strong look at OP in a while. Wow. OP's only making higher lows? That's actually insane. I didn't realize that. Moonwell's pretty low. I know we looked at Moonwell yesterday. It looked like it was entering a really, really good buying opportunity. Is the F word banned? I typed it and the comment didn't go through. No, I didn't ban any words. So that you got to take that up with YouTube. I'd like to see what your formal letter of complaint is over the F word. Because, I mean, I'll say it. Like, fuck that. You know? OP is at an extremely good buying area. You can see the lows back here, and you're utilizing them as support again. This is a beautiful bottoming pattern. Fantastic area to accumulate. Stupid YouTube. Yeah, I didn't ban any words. I'm like, let them fly. There's no way YouTube's platform would allow something that I wouldn't. On your daily, you had this downtrend here that you broke out of and you backtested. That's gorgeous. Yeah, OP. It looks like it's getting ready to do something. I hope Fetch and Axel start moving. Axel was moving the other day. Did it retrace all the way? You already set your first higher low. There you go. You got a nice little supply line. Trying to set some higher lows. This is good. Can we check FTM and Aptos, please? Yeah, Aptos is like so range bound. It's unbelievable. What do I think happens to BTC from here? Ray, I'm thinking it goes up. Now I believe the target I mentioned today was like 109? 109,000? Something like that. It's consolidating in an upsloping like flag pattern. It's a really weak bull flag, but as long as it doesn't break down, you're good. Four-hour trying to point up as well. Very nice. So if I were trading this, I would have seen this downtrend right here. As soon as you broke that downtrend, that was kind of your entry, and your stop loss would have been right below this 1473. Interesting, you think it will push up rather than break down to the high 70s. Well, lower time frame indicators are saying that, and you just gotta keep in mind it hasn't fallen yet. So until it starts to fall and creates a lower high, I have to say it's gonna keep going up. I need that lower high to be like, oh yeah, we're going down for sure. But all it's been doing is higher highs and higher lows. You need that lower high, that first lower high. Then it's like, okay, downtrend can start. Until that happens, I just can't think that it's going to go down. So anytime you hear somebody say, I need more data, that's really what they're saying. I need a lower low and a lower high. One of those has to happen in order to have the new data to say we're going down. If you maintain your same low after the shoot up, you're still in the process of going up. Alright, so this one, if you have a stop loss below 146.7, OP might be getting ready for a big run. You got your golden cross on the 4 hour. Looks like you're about to get the double cross here. And you have overhead resistance sitting at 191.6. You break that, most likely you're going up to $3. After options trading opens tomorrow, we might see a push to the upside. That would be interesting. Binance.us chain charged your $90 in XRP to move my XRP to Coinbase. Wait, Binance.us charged you $90 to move your XRP? That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Yeah, that's crazy. Going down to the 1 hour for OP. OP's resetting. It looks like it's trying to get ready for a run. Also, if you see OP's about to run, check on your Ethereum chart, because if Ethereum goes up, OP gets like all the rewards from that. It's kind of crazy. So just keep your eye on Ethereum. If Ethereum looks like it's going to go up, OP as a layer 2 for Ethereum does have a good possibility of going up with it. This move could yield you, oh my god, 69% upside. Now, what's going on? Can we check SWFT coin? Sure, got you covered. Can we please see the BTC chart and your analyst for it to push to 109? Yeah, we'll go to that real quick before I start checking all these other things. What's the next one after that? Not so long. So it's that. So we gotta check out Well. We gotta check out Fetch. Action. Well, no, you didn't ask for that. All right, FTM, Aptos. All right, yeah, we'll be good. All right. So yeah, that's OP. OP looks like it's looking pretty good. So looking at Bitcoin, you can see right now, you set a high, and then you've slowly been accumulating up. You had this downtrending level of resistance. You then broke to the upside, tried to fall back in, broke out again, using it as support, not only once, but twice on the 1 hour. Now your 1 hour stochastics in neutral territory, your neutral territory on your relative strength, looking like it could go up. It's these low time frames that look like they want to go up. Your 4 hour time frame, you can see it broke out, held support, caught bids, looking like it wants to move up. You can see your stochastic is low, relative strength, neutral territory, not overbought. Looking at your MACD, you're getting close to a bullish cross on your MACD. Let's go down to your 15-minute, which looks like poop. So 15-minute is the only thing here that's holding you back with this high stochastic. Everything else looking okay, except for that MACD. MACD wants to come down. But neutral territory, yes, you can say you're downtrending on your strength, but it's the 15-minute. It could just not happen. Like, long and short of it. And then on top of that, we look at the liquidation map. On your liquidations, when you go out to the weekly, you can see hardly any longs sitting right here, but you can see the volume in shorts much higher up here. At 92,900, we have $123 million in shorts that could get liquidated, which would give us buying pressure. So Bitcoin, I'm expecting it to go up, and based off a bull flag idea, we would continue to the upside in a parabolic manner. 109,385 is a target at this moment in time. It is subject to change, but as you can see, higher lows, higher highs. Moving on. Let's go check out, it's not FTN, what's the next one? Well. Checking out Well. Makes total sense. Yeah, I chart Bitcoin every day because it will affect all of your trades. So if you think Bitcoin's going to go down, you're going to have a bias to shorting. If you think Bitcoin's going to go up, you'll have a bias to going long. Where do you see Bitcoin topping out this cycle? I don't have a clue. I have no idea. You got XRP and HBAR. Nice Blue Lantern. Nice. Dot USDT. Chris will check out Dot also. What was I about to type in? Shit. Well. Alrighty, Moonwell. You are so very close to an entry. Oh my gosh. 55928. They're making you wait for it. Oh man. They're squeezing you for everything you got. Oh boy. And noted that level could actually be hit even after you break out. So just heads up there. You could break out and then go touch it. Either way, based off your weekly levels, that's going to be where you find your support. Candle high closes right here. A back test would be expected. You're so gosh darn close. Next step, just touch it. Just go touch the butt. Go touch it. Once you touch it and hold it as support, then you get a breakout and hold as support. Fantastic. Until that happens, just wait. Just wait. If the tax exemption passes in, let's say, March, but I sold in February, all my American coins still be exempt when I file taxes. I think that's how that works. I don't know. I am not a tax guy. You would have to ask your local CPA. I think that's how that works, but I don't know. Oh yeah, we also have to check SWFT. Can't forget that. Alright, we checked out Well. Well, you're still waiting. You're still waiting. Alright, what was next here? FTM. FTM. I sure hope the exemption passes before the bull run ends. Yeah, that would be really nice. That would be really nice. Alright, so FTM, you have been stagnant. Just so very stagnant. Based off this falling wedge idea, the measured move is to get up here to $1.1664. But right now, we are just struggling to stay above this 200 weekly moving average. Just struggling out here. Checking out your daily time frame, you're seeing the indicators reset. You're getting neutral. You're completely neutral on your daily. And then you are still above your 50 simple moving average, which is nice. Checking out your 4 hour. So 4 hour, you can see this downtrend we've been stuck in, but it does look like it could be coming to an end very soon. I love how close these moving averages are. So once you do get that breakout, we should see FTM get up to 92 cents. But we're waiting on that damn breakout. So we are just waiting, holding our hands, just twiddling our thumbs like, come on, bro, let's get some gains. Stochastic's resetting really fast on your 1 hour, so maybe we start seeing this move with it like tomorrow. Maybe. 15-minute also is ready to go. As soon as there's buying pressure, I'm expecting FTM to start actually moving up. And the movement could be about 28%. I think I'm selling in February and March, even if they haven't passed the bill yet. Okay. All right. I take it you're going to buy something. That's all good. You got a plan set in mind. I like it. All right, let's check out Aptos. Aptos. So this is what I was talking about. Aptos is like beyond range bound. It looks a lot like Pepe did last night. And all Pepe really did was it went up high enough to like supposedly break out. But in reality, it seemed like it was just resetting its structure. So it gave it more time to go sideways. So I don't know what the market's waiting on to give us our breakouts, but it's kind of annoying. Kind of really annoying. But if this thing breaks out, you're expecting the uptrend to continue. So next move would be getting up to 1712. Doge is up 3%. Yeah, it broke out last night, though. It's taking forever. Forever, dude. So, yeah, Aptos, I mean, technically speaking, you're in a great spot to buy in right now, but we're going to see. I don't have Bitcoin, so I have to sell all my alts before the bull run ends. I wasn't wise enough to understand how good Bitcoin really is. Won't make the same mistake again. What you utilize your altcoins for is to accumulate more Bitcoin. That's so. I mean, let the alts run like they're going to, because there are periods of time your alts will significantly outperform Bitcoin, and then they won't. And usually that's a good time to get back into Bitcoin. With all this red in the market, I got this weird feeling we're just going to hear Ukraine nuked Moscow. I was like, oh great, here we go. Or shot a missile toward Moscow. So anyway, we get a Black Swan event like World War III. That'll send these markets down. In a very sharp way. Alright, so that's Aptos. Hopefully that helps Max, but you're still consolidating on Aptos, just waiting for it to break in one direction or the other. And we're guessing it's going to keep going up, because that's what it did going into this. These moving averages are so darn tight. So darn tight. A lot of things are just going to squeeze out, pop like a pimple. Alrighty. After Aptos, SWFT. Yeah, SWFT. Never heard of this coin. At least I don't think I have. That's not it. That's not it. I'm sorry to say, Nell, I don't know what coin you're talking about. I can't find it. Is it SWFTC? If so, I can find that. Is this it? Well, that's not a really good look, is it? Alright, we found it. I like that you're putting in these higher lows, but I hate to say it, kind of looking like a continuation down. That's weird. It's really weird. You found so much resistance on your 50 simple moving average on the weekly. I'm thinking you're gonna roll over. That's confusing. Let's check the daily. Oh, you were oversold and now you're not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Your back test. Yikes. Yikes. Alright, so this is what I'm seeing right here. You have this little uptrend here, but this is resembling a bear flag. Because of that right there. It could go up, don't get me wrong. It's just this looks a lot more like a continuation down. You only hit this level once. You're still looking to hit it again, as like a bottoming type pattern. So hopefully that's what happens. You hold it as support. Otherwise, you could come all the way down to 16.45. Why does this look so bearish? Strange. Why? That's so weird. I haven't felt this bearish about a token in a while. Like, I would look to short this. I really would. That's so strange. I was like Mr. Bull over here, like everything's going up, baby. But this one, I'm not getting the good feelings from this one. It's probably because of the weekly. Yeah, because this weekly, it looks nasty. So think of it. It's like you had a high, you had a lower high, huge sell-off to reset your stochastic on the weekly. This is all they could muster? That's not good. You could continue straight back down, getting back into this range, and it would make all the sense in the world. What is this token? Honestly, I'm trying to find reasons to be bullish. I'm really trying. I just can't find a reason to be like, yeah, we're going up, baby. You had a bullish engulfing week, you had an indecision candle, and now you're selling off. I would be careful with this if you're holding it. If you're holding this, I would be careful. Because all it looks like is that you're either A, going to find support here again, around 2530, or you're going to fall through it. Let's hope you hold support, because you did back here as well. I feel bearish on this one. I feel very bearish. Yeah. I'm sorry to say. Sorry I can't give you better news. It just looks so good to short. It just does. That was such great accumulation to just roll over, and that would measure up with this low down here. Huh. Ew, that's 50%? Oh my god. Sorry to say, Nell. I tried to find everything I could. I just think it's going to go down. Can I check the status of HNT? Sure. We can do that. Yeah, I wish I could give you better info on this. It's just, as of this moment in time, I feel like it's going to continue dropping. It could change my mind later. Maybe it finds support and it keeps chopping around sideways in this area. But with how choppy this is, it's all the buying, all the chances to pump up, it's getting sold off instantly. So that's not great. Is the daughter feeling better? She is. She just doesn't want pizza anymore. Because I think it might have been pizza that made her feel all sick and everything. So yeah, but she's doing better. Might have been some like food poisoning or something. I think I also have to get out of my trade on Anchor. Anchor is just not performing how I thought it would. Why is the market so damn bearish? Alright, we're going to get out of Anchor. I don't know why the market's so gosh darn. That means STX too. Got to get out of there. Ugh. I don't want to get out of STX, honestly. I really don't. Nope, I'm getting out of it. How do I... Shit, forgot. Close it. Alright, we're getting out of this one as well. We are out of our longs right now. We are out of our longs. The market's doing something weird and I don't like it. Alright. At least the altcoins are. The altcoins are doing something really weird. I don't like it. Now, we checked out SWT. Let's go check out DOT. Is that next? Yeah, we gotta check out DOT for Chris. Well, DOT got to make a very good move. Very nice. You're above resistance right now. The longer you can stay above it, the better. if it continues, you're going to see $7.40. Let's check out your 4 hour real quick. 4 hours trying to rally on, but you are putting in the hidden bearish divergence. So be careful there, because it's also putting in a rising wedge pattern from the looks of it. You like DOT? Pick some up in October. Nice. So yeah, here's your rising wedge pattern. So be careful on this one. If it decides to come down, it's going to be rough. Rough. More rough than Dogecoin. Dogecoin currently up 4%. Wow, did you look at that? Dogecoin defying all odds. So yeah, if DOT continues up, you're going to see a short squeeze, but right now it looks like it's consolidating a bit, even selling off a little bit. But your 1 hour looks like it's resetting, trying to do something positive. I just can't see it right now. I just can't see the positivity right now. I think I just see too much red in the market where I'm worried now that we're going to get a pullback. Huh, that's weird. That's weird. It's more weird because Bitcoin does not look like it wants to pull back. So why are the alts doing this? This is that Bitcoin dominance thing. It's frustrating. But yeah, if you get a third touch up here and you get rejected, you could see price come back down, basically to the level, what, down here? Somewhere in the neighborhood of like 481.9. But if you do continue to the upside, if you hold support long enough, you're going to go see 740. 740 is the ideal place you want to go. But it's consolidating, so as it chops around, you're just waiting to see. Just waiting around, see if it's going to do it. But you're currently at resistance. Alright, so got XRP, okay. Dogecoin's up 3%. Somebody asked for something else. HNT, I know that. Am I missing one? I might be missing one, and I'm sorry if I did. Please just remind me. Let's go ahead and check out HNT. Do I normally look at this on Bybit? I do not normally look at it on Bybit. KuCoin? I look at it on KuCoin. Alright. So, HNT, let's clean up the chart a little bit. We ended up going down that day. Dang, rough. So we're currently downtrending. We're sitting around a level of support, but your real support is down here at 518.9. Since you have been falling below it each time. Hold on. Hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour. HNT getting ready to do something. HNT looking decent. This is nice. So hidden bullish divergence. You can see your low back here. And then your higher low. Higher low, higher low. Okay, yeah, we got a lot of convergence. I'm guessing HNT has the possibility of going up back up to 738.7. That's nice to see. All you got to do is maintain these lows. So as long as you're above 558, you're good. And what do I mean by this hidden bullish divergence? You can see your low back here, your higher low, higher low, higher low. But if you look at the price, you had a low here, and then you maintained your lows. Nice. I'll pray for rain. Yeah, pray for it. Pray for it. We did have this downtrend here. That kind of sucks. You broke back down. You're utilizing it now as support. I don't know. It's a weird price movement, honestly. Very weird. But who knows? Maybe that's just how they wanted to back test. It's weird. But yeah, I would expect upside on this one. You're maintaining your 200 daily moving average. This makes way more sense. And trying to break out of major downsloping resistance. Daily's giving a much better idea of what's going on here. You had an upswing, consolidating. You're about to get ready for your next leg higher. if this plays out, you could see something kind of like this, pushing you all the way up to 1164. So yeah, HNT, I would hang on to that. HNT looks very interesting. Very interesting. I know I'm scared fucking Ukraine and Russia will ruin my bag, assholes. That's funny. Blue Answer, I just read that. That's hilarious. But yeah, they definitely could ruin it. It sucks, but you know, that's life. Every time you get ahead, it's like, oh great, we got another problem. Alright, looking at Dogecoin. Crypto Naughty, I know you covered it earlier, but is BTC looking like it wants to hit all-time high again tonight? I don't know about tonight, but yeah, it does look like it wants to go up. And with Dogecoin starting to finally get some love, this is nice to see. So Dogecoin, your target right now is 57 cents. If it can get there, fantastic. Maybe we're going to see other meme coins start running too. This cycle does seem a little weird because as soon as Bitcoin goes sideways long enough, it's seeming like meme coins are the only things moving with any type of regularity. Like, beautiful upswing right here. This is great. Oh, by the way, I have an announcement, everybody. So, Buy DeFi wants to offer you guys something kind of special. They want to offer you another bonus that would give you a $100 deposit. And you'd have a month access to it. Oh, so maybe like for the next month, that little incentive might be there. SHIB is following? Is it really? How time SHIB? I called for you to go up the other day. SHIB's starting to move too. Okay, SHIB. This one's a big deal. I'm actually going to enter this trade. Hopefully it doesn't screw us. But SHIB, this one's a really big deal. Because it breaks out. I mean, 57% upside. It's absolutely disgusting. Let's see what my trend line is here. Oh my goodness. And you've been maintaining the trend? Oof. %4 down. 4.89. Oof. Yikes. Maybe I'm not going to enter this one yet. I'll wait. This needs to reset. That needs to reset. We'll wait. This is onboarding retail, though. You're right. It is definitely onboarding retail, which is nice. The only thing that I worry about is if retail gets burned right away, they're gone for a year. They're just going to be like, nope, not worth it. I'm out. Bye. So that's one thing I don't like institutions for that one reason. They'll do everything they can to get retail to come in, and then as soon as retail comes in, they'll dump it on their heads, and it's like, oh, you really just wanted quick profits, didn't you? That's annoying. That's annoying. Oh yeah, a lot of retail got burned. And that's probably because they weren't a part of the channel. Because we were checking out when things were at great buying opportunities. You're up 247% on your Doge trade. Let's go, Crypto Naughty. Let's go. Guessing you have some crazy leverage on it. Relax, buddy. Relax, bro. So, the anchor trade I was in, watching it come down this sharply, I don't like that. I saw it go up pretty well today. If you can still maintain the supply line, awesome. I'm starting to get bad feelings about this anchor trade. That maybe it wants to go down and touch support again. Oh, it'd be so annoying. That would be really annoying. So I'm out of this trade. I'm going to be looking for something else to jump into tonight. and hopefully it's a good setup. Noted, this thing could still be a really good setup, just resetting what the downtrending resistance is. Either way, anchor, once it does break out, I mean, you have massive upside. Absolute massive upside. Still bullish on Gary? I don't know. Was I bullish on it yesterday? Yeah, I think we're good. Gary's been printing since we looked at it. I mentioned 41% upside, and here we are. I was practically drooling over it before. Well, shit, makes sense. Look at how high it is. It's this double bottom. Oh my god. You chickened out of buying it? No, it's just you hit it once, you hit it twice, you popped up. You hit it once, you got the higher low, and you've just been trending up. That's so gosh darn bullish. But then if you look at it on the daily, it's like, yeah, that's a double bottom. How could I not drool over that? It's a double bottom, and now you're just looking for where is the high gonna go. And your overhead resistance is that? 352%? Looks like Bitcoin's pushing into liquidations. That's what. Bitcoin dominance must be going up a lot. That's crazy. Because the alts, they are not doing the same thing. A lot of alts are looking like weirdly bearish right now. Just, oof. How's Litecoin doing? We'll check it out. Yeah, Bitcoin's trying to do something. Oh, and since we're in the L's, I'm going to show you guys what I posted last night, too. LTC. Litecoin is going sideways. It is going sideways. Super sideways. Oh my goodness. Maybe you're about to enter an opportunity to get into Litecoin. 4 hours really low on your stochastic, sitting in neutral territory on your 4 hour relative strength. You could see Litecoin go up 28%. Dom needs a reset if it's not breaking out from here. Oh, you're talking about dominance? Yeah, that's true. But we want a break down of dominance, not a break out. Oh boy, I'm going to have to go to the bathroom. That's not good. Yeah, we want Bitcoin dominance to fall down. Alright, so this LAI thing I posted last night. Enjoy your body break. I might have to go do that. So LAI, this thing has my undivided attention. You had this great downtrend, you shot up, but noted, you had this weird little test here, right here. You came up, came down, you broke out of the downtrend, you're back testing it again. This last night looked ready to rock and roll. Now it kind of looks like dog shit, but it could still rally. This rally could actually be 68% upside. Let's check out your daily and see what this thing looks like. So your daily, it's doing its best not to suck. Doing its absolute best not to suck. So LAI, you could very well see the possible 68% run to the upside. What's your 1 hour doing? 1 hour does not look great. Not great. Oh, wait a minute. Maybe it looks better than I'm giving it credit for. Hold on. Hold on. It could look great. It could look great. If it breaks out, give us some volume on the breakout. This could be great. But right now, it's poo-poo. Significantly more strength on this. What's your 15 look like? Your 15 giving you some bullish convergence. Now it's pushing up. LAI might freak everybody out. You know what? We're going to take a chance on LAI. We're going to do that. What the fuck is demo? Fuck. LAI. Yeah, I get it. All right, I get it. We're going to do high leverage on it. Why not? We're really... Oh, I guess we're not going that high. 20x. We're going to go 20x. And we're just going to throw that in here. Just toss that right in there. Right there. All cute leg. All right. Now, we want that stop loss to be just below this level here. Real tight. 1312. So 51%. We're going to risk 51%. Why can't I confirm that? Okay. Hello? You son of a beach. Did I say 1-2? Shit. 1312. Oh boy. This will drive me nuts. That's not good. I don't like having issues putting in a stop loss. That will that will make me angry. Oh, I'm going to lose my shit. Oh, I'm going to lose my shit. Where's my phone? Oh, I'm going to lose my shit. Literally and figuratively. Try it on Margex. I don't have Margex open on my PC. Oh, that's gonna make me so mad. All big YouTubers shill that one? I know, it's weird. I have a link, it's in the description. Okay, we put it in. We put in our stop loss. That is annoying. Just use MEXC. I'm in America. I can't use MEXC. Alright guys, I'm going to take a brief intermission. I gotta go to the bathroom. I will be right back. I'll be back. Give me a few minutes. And we're back. I know you're reading chat from your phone. No, I was not. I definitely was not. Dominance is at critical support. Alt should be getting a pullback. Yeah, it could be. Or the support breaks. We gotta be hopeful here. We gotta be hopeful. Like that's the number one thing we want to fall. Just Bitcoin dominance to the gutter. Just fall down. After you went up this high, fall to the ground. Oh man. Gold Mike just tuned in. Can you take a look at Caspa? Sure. Gold Mike, were you here last night when I said it would go up 17%? Were you here? I feel like you weren't. Always telling me to look at things that already went up. Swear to God. Swear to God. Oh, we're so close to the take profit. We're so close. Ah! I wasn't here last night. Oh, you missed out on some alpha on this bad boy. We called this shit out. We called this out. You did watch the stream and packed your bags. Nice. Is SHIB in a buying zone now? SHIB's kind of in an area where it's like it could go up, could go down. I would think the longer it stays up, the better in the long run. Sort of. Yeah, sort of. Alright, so what we saw out of Caspa that I pointed out last night was a really big deal. Caspa not only broke out of this downtrend on the weekly, it backtested it as support. Now you're seeing the follow through to the upside. But now you're actually over resistance at 17.0964. Longer you stay above that, 18.9995 is your next target. These are forecast longs. The oldest from 10.8. They're printing. Nice. Very nice. First long wick down on USDT market cap. Could mean something or nothing. It's true. I'd say short scalp now or just wait to buy. Talking about Cas? Are you talking about SHIB? What are you talking about? So yeah, Caspa is just hitting that first profit taking zone based off the trade setup. That 4 hours a little overbought and showing hidden bearish divergence if it pulls down here. Where's my next take profit for Caspa? It's at this 18.995. You break that, I mean, you're gonna go test all-time highs at 20718 or what is this? 208141. You're just gonna test all-time highs, and you break that, you're in price discovery. So you're gonna have to wait and see. I would expect some consolidation in this range, though. I would expect a lot of consolidation. Cool. Your next is at 19. I mean, makes sense. It's right freaking there. Like, absolutely makes sense. Chris, you want to check out Tia? Let's check out Tia. Tia is currently down 3. Ooh. So On your weekly, you're in this falling wedge pattern. You're finding a lot of resistance at $5.40. Weekly looks fine. Your daily looks fine. Bigger pullback is coming. What are you talking about for this one? You're already bottoming out. Strength is starting to come up a little bit. I want to see where the lower high is. I don't think it's just going to trade sideways down and then fall. Everything? Think everything? It could. It could. Buy when red. Did I check out the trading pair? No, that's what I needed to look at. God damn it. Hold on. I started to look at that indicator Ston Sky today, and then my daughter wanted to play. So that ended sharply. Trading Parrot. That's a YouTube channel, right? Yeah, it's a channel. I'll have to check it out. You're excited for me to see his channel? Why? Alright, so Tia right now, you're consolidating. It's at a weird level to be consolidating, so even if you do pop up, you're expecting price to really just get to 8,797 before coming back down to the exact same level you're at now. Just to confirm your bottom. Checking out your 4-hour time frame. This thing, it literally could go up, could go down, which is kind of frustrating, but you are setting your higher lows so far. But noted, you still have lower highs. So it's just a nice little consolidation. There is the possibility of the upside swing. Your 1 hour is resetting. 1 hour is resetting while basically trading sideways. Yeah, you're waiting for a breakout of something, and the fact that you're dancing on top of 540, just up, down, up, down, up, down, it's not a great look. Either come down to 406 or go up to 682. Till then, it's just sideways. It's not really doing anything, and it's this type of stuff that I can't really trade because it doesn't go well. It does not go well. Enjoy his content, and you're a TA nerd, so yeah, well, maybe I will enjoy it. We will see. Oh, that LAI trade, not looking good. Looking better. It was looking really bad. Now it's looking better. Shit, we're getting some fluctuations around here. Yikes, it's going to stop me out. You guys are going to see it live. I'm going to get stopped out. We're going to cry together. Sure, I can check that out. You want me to check it out on Kraken? I'll see if I can find that chart. But yeah, we'll look at it. So yeah, Chris, I'm sorry I can't give you more info. It's just you're range bound, trading sideways, and you're starting to consolidate. So it will make a decision sometime soon. But in the meantime, it's like you have this up level of support, and you have this downtrending level of resistance. So once it figures out what it wants to do, I'm going to let you know. But you did come into this to the downside. It is a symmetrical triangle. It could go up, it could go down. Want, buy. I don't know if it's a good time to start buying this thing. Just because you didn't confirm the bottom. So with it not confirming, you still don't know if this is the bottom. So let's say it does something which I would expect it to do. Something kind of like this, and then this, and then this, and then go. That would be way better. That would be way better in my opinion. And you're going to have these wonderful feelings like, oh no, I missed out. But when it comes back down, you'll be like, oh, wait a minute. No, this is pretty good. Thank you. Yeah, Kraken and Poloni X have the most history on the coin for the charts. Does it really? Wow. Okay, we'll check it out. I mean, heck, I would even prefer it like way better, just so you wouldn't feel so much FOMO if it just went like this, came back to the bottom, and then it shot up, came down, and then it just started doing something like that. That would be way better in my opinion. But we kind of have to wait. We gotta wait. But we haven't confirmed the bottom technically, because you don't see it on the weekly. You just see that you've come down there once. We eat together, we starve together. Oh boy. But you can see how this level of resistance, we could just go up, bearishly backtest it, then come down again. Hopefully you can see that just by looking at the chart, because nothing was backtested, so you're expecting a backtest. Yeah. Anyways, let's go check out that other coin. It is SCUSD. Yeah. Kraken. There we are. There we are. Great buying opportunity. What the fuck? It's giving you a lot of buying opportunities. That's wild. That'd be wild and crazy. Oh. Even better if I got that spot right? Okay. Oh, you're breaking out right now. That's sweet. I mean, where did you stop here? What the? What, are you utilizing this as your support? Yeah, you are. Okay. Hey, you came up, you got your higher low, you're breaking back out right now as we speak. It's not bad. Wait, I need to go back to the weekly. What the fuck is this? Who's that? Yo, thank you so much for the $3 dono. I don't know who did that. But thank you. I appreciate it. That's the money you saved me on Tia? Okay. Well, Chris, thank you so much for the $3 dono. I appreciate it. And I do hope the Tia thing pans out. But, you know, just kind of waiting for it. It's annoying, but it does save you a lot of money when you wait. It saves you a ton of money when you wait. Wow, this is for major breakout. Holy shit. You're on major breakout watch when it comes to this SC token. $4 hours trying to let you do it. You're starting to get a little overextended though. Just a wee bit. As long as you stay above this trend line here, as long as you stay above it, just don't break it, you could be seeing an absolute massive markup. It would be really good if you tested support again at 544. No, buddy. You're going to have to go to sleep in 30 minutes. What are you talking about? Alright. Kid's got bedtime in 30 minutes, and here he is. Can you come play with me? It's like, what? What do you mean? All right. Is it wise to sell Doge and hopefully buy back in at 35 or 36? I don't know. I still think Doge is gonna get up to 57 cents. I have no idea if it's gonna come back down to 35 or 36 anytime soon. So I don't know. That's gonna be all up to you, Cooking with Luna. One Musk tweet. That's true. One Elon Musk tweet, and that thing's flying. So I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea, but it's your money. I can't give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I even took the test. I didn't pass it. So yeah, this one, it looks good now for upside. What'll look even better is when you backtest this level as support. So, who asked for this? So Ollie, it's great that it's breaking out. I would just expect a backtest and hold of support before you start getting your jollies going for the idea of this 133% upside. So if you can hold support and you keep testing it and you hold the supply line, absolutely fantastic. But it's got to do some work. It's got to do some work. You passed the crypto test. Yeah, this is a fresh breakout. This is your impulse move. It looks great for the opportunity of later. The Pell. I hope I said that right. Hello, how you doing? Over on Twitch. Sorry it's so lonely over there. We're also live on YouTube. No problem, Ollie. No problem. Just, yeah, you want to get that back test. Just make sure what was being used as resistance will now be used as support. You got a question, bro? What's up? What's your question? I might have the answer. I might have to look it up. I'm not sure. Can I check out BNB? It's been weird lately. It's not been weird. It's just been trending up. But yeah, we'll look at it. Did I miss it? Did I miss it? Am I blind? Blind, yeah. Oh, shit. You live in California? Hey, me too. And because of daylight savings, what time would the New York session open for you? 6:30 a.m. Hopefully that helped. All right, so BNB, you have been absolutely range bound after hitting your overhead resistance at $656. You are in a rising wedge pattern after breaking out of a downtrend. These patterns here, if Bitcoin pulls back, this thing's going to rip to the downside. It's going to suck, no one's going to know it, and that's why you're going to see a huge long squeeze. However, Bitcoin holds its water. You're going to see this thing start trading up, hitting more than likely new all-time highs and getting up to $841. Vapel, yeah, New York session always starts at, what about London session? I don't have a clue. Asian session? No idea. Let's see. Let's look it up. So jumping into Google, we're searching world market hours based off California time. All right, we're going to just drop the link in the chat here so then you all can have it. There we go. There's the info you need right there when all the markets open. It's actually a pretty comprehensive list. I'm quite surprised. Quite surprised. So what you're going to end up doing when you see the times, go to the UTC option and then jump into Google and convert it into PTSD. That's all you got to do. Yeah, you got the Asian, got African markets, Australian markets. That's wild. I didn't even know they had it all out there like this. That's pretty cool. Pretty gosh darn cool. I've never looked that up, so news for me also. What is that? Why'd I get that alert? Hold on. Oh no, is my trade doing terrible? How do I feel about Echelon Prime? I don't feel any type of way. I've never heard of it. I don't know what it is. That's a better question for ChatGPT. That's fair. That's fair. Let's see how bad my trade's doing. We're down 33%. Why did that thing give me an alert? I might get margin called. Hold on. Oh, my liquidation price is my stop loss? That's a problem. Oh, that is a problem. I didn't realize that. How is that my liquidation price? Wait a minute. We just put it in. There's no way that was the liquidation price. That's only 50% ratio. What's going on here? I feel like anything with Prime in the name does well. Really? Didn't that Prime drink get sued? Turbo, I know the overall expectation, but what does the current price action say? Short-term bear? Let's check it out. After I check out my trade. Gotta see what LAI is doing. LAI, gosh. LAI, just having issues here. Prime is a gaming platform. It's pretty legit. Is it really? Look at that sell pressure there. What the heck? LAI, it's out here just destroying dreams. Oh, we were hoping for greatness, but we're down 30% on the trade, which we were expecting a breakout. Oh boy. What is this? It's terrible. Absolutely terrible. That's weird. My liquidation price is literally my stop loss. Oh, I'm starting to think we should just take the L on this trade. Yeah, it gave me a 56% loss if we hit that level, but now it's just saying, nope, you'll get liquidated. It's like, why? I don't even understand how that happens. Why would I be liquidated? It's crazy. Turbo. You know what? I'm thinking I don't want to think about it. I'm probably just going to get out of that trade, even though it's a loss. Oh well. Shit happens, especially when you party naked. Is what it is. Is what it is, and it's not what it's not. Alright. Anyways, Turbo, you are so very range bound. So very range bound. If it makes no sense, they're scamming you. Exactly. So we just get out of that. Just get the hell out of there. This reminds me of like the M from Dragon Ball Z with Majin Vegeta, you know? You got the high, the low, the high. Where's the low? Give me the low. Give me that M. At this point, I'm expecting Turbo to come down here to 7591. That's my expectation because after you broke out, you never backtested this level as support and held it. So I am bearish on Turbo in the short term. And we could see Turbo come down 11%. Yeah, 11%. Definitely can happen. We need something to happen in this market, and downside, if nothing happens, downside usually is supply. Usually. Currently, downtrending level of resistance is right here. Closer you get to this level, maybe you get a breakout, maybe you don't. I don't know. We're going to see. We're going to find out. But I would be taking this 11% downside all day. All day. Every way. Turbo runs on ETH, and right now everyone hates ETH. I mean, it's not everyone's fault. It's ETH's fault. What about Jazz? What's Jazz? Oh, Jasmy. I'm like, what's Jazz? Even your relative strength has been downtrending. Even with this little pop. Yeah, I'm seeing 11% downside. I don't know when it'll happen. I see it happening. Why are the altcoins looking so bearish? What the heck's going on here? I didn't sign up for this. Also, that lines up. God, perfect. Hit it once, twice, waiting for it. Oof. Alright, checking Jasmy. Yeah, so short term, I'm feeling pretty bearish on this. Pretty bearish. Alright, so here's a prime example. You can see how you were utilizing this level of support here twice, broke out. You hit it once again, hit it twice, now you're starting to move up. Jasmy looks set up for a lot of upside. Jasmy looks like it wants to get to this 3708. So there's the difference between Jasmy and Turbo. After you broke out, you still utilized your support. I mean, yeah, you fell through it and all, but you got a little hidden bullish divergence. You can't be that angry. So Jasmy, it actually looks really good for upside right now. Like, really good. What's your 1 hour look like? 1 hour looks less good. So now you're just hoping that you hold support. Pepe still a good buy? I don't know, because Pepe's been consolidating like crazy. Oh, you're really close to your support level. I can trade this. I can do a trade on Jasmy. Jasmy's done the stuff and the things that I look for. So now, as a nice short-term trade, you could be looking at a 22% rise. What, 22? Really? 22? Are we sure? Nice consolidation. 22? When can this happen? Soon? Could happen soon. Could happen soon. Only problem is you need a stop loss below this level at 2066. That's the real issue here. It's a kind of a deep stop loss. 6%? 6%. My God. That's a lot of percent. That's a lot. A lot of whales accumulating XR price. Yeah. Whales will do whale things. I'm still not buying that shit. I'm still not doing it. I feel like Jasmy will be fun. Why not? Oh, Jasmy's hot. Oh, Jasmy's hot suddenly. Since when is Jasmy hot? What the fuck? Alright. I think whales are expecting a macro fifth wave down for Ethereum along with other laggers. That's why they ain't pumping. You think? Who knows what those whales do? Who knows? I sure don't. I don't even try to figure it out anymore. I'm like, you know what? Whales be whaling. Alright, we're gonna... Shit, I needed at least this low. 2138. Jesus Christ. 2138. 2138. Okay, 54%. Okay, makes sense. Possible 54% loss here. Possible 54% loss here. Possibilities there. It's right there. It's staring us in the face. We're going to take profit at 2710. I'm going to be in this trade all night. I'm either getting stopped out or we're winning. Probably going to get stopped out though. What price did I just say? 271. 271. For a 3x. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Probably going to get stopped out. But yeah, that's Jasmy. Looks like you could see a rise. And noted, it probably won't stop there. But I would like a back test there so then I can try and take it up to that 3708. That'd be sweet. If it goes up. Could very well go down. Because as soon as I put in that trade, we started going down. This is why I hate choppy markets. Choppy markets suck. They suck. They're terrible. As soon as you enter the trade. Oh. I mean, in reality, I shouldn't even be trading until market opens tomorrow, but it is what it is. It wouldn't be an entertaining stream without it. Alright, checking out Pepe next. So Pepe, it's doing something weird. You readjust this for the new lows, you readjust the top for the new high, and you're like, cool, we're still consolidating. If you break down, you're looking for 1597. Yeah, it does have a strong fanboy thing. Trent, Dogecoin. It's going up. Dogecoin. I read it, Trent. Yeah, we're aiming for 57 cents on that one, Trent. Welcome into the stream, though. Hello. How are you? Right now, we're at support. Wait for USDT to hit top of range, then enter. Gap filler. I don't wait at all. I just go for it. Have I heard of Hook? I have heard of Hook. Yes, I have, Chris. Are you looking for Hook right now? Because, you know, I'm kind of pricey. Let's check out Hook. Have I heard of X Fund? No. No, I have not. Looks interesting. Hoskinson said they can defy components of XRP and a stablecoin layer. I don't know, man. Sounds bullish. I faded XRP too, but I was persuaded. That's good. 9,000 supply behind Shibarium. On X Fund, they have a 9,000 supply. Easy plays. I don't actually understand what you just said there, but all right. I don't get what the 9,000 supply is. I do not know or understand. Yeah, so Hook, we would be aiming at one of two areas. So could go up 55%, backtesting these lows here before it would more than likely roll back over and come back down to where you're at. That's how many tokens there ever will be. Only 9,000. That price is going to go crazy. Now, that price is going to get absolutely insane. Or it can go up 93% after a breakout, of course, and come back down to the area you're at right now. So Hook does look interesting. It's worth paying attention to because it's trying to bottom out. On your daily, it's showing a double bottom. So that's why you're expecting a breakout and push to the upside. But after that upside move, it's noted, I'm more or less leaning toward a 75% move before you pull back and backtest than the 93%. Just because I would expect a bearish backtest and then find your support, make sure that that bottom is in before it starts running up. That's what I would expect. Oh, Jasmy. We're definitely going to get stopped out, yes. Definitely going to get stopped out of Jasmy. I can feel it. I can feel it in my bones. Let's check out X Fund. I guess we got Trent in here. He was very interested in Dogecoin. Dogecoin up 5% right now. And we're still aiming for 57 cents. We're doing it. We're doing it. It's doing it. If it gets some upsloping consolidation, that'll be even better. Be even better. You're praying? You never pray. Just do TA. Just give yourself some peace of mind. Is $1.20 unrealistic? Well, it's never been there. So I don't know. I don't know. I wish I could tell you. X Fund. Okay. Easy plays. I can't find it on a regular exchange. We'll see what this thing looks like when we pull this up. Think the USDT dominance could pump? Don't say bad news like that. That's just bad news, man. So a 9,000 supply, and this thing is actually no, we can argue it's bottoming out. You're going to ride Doge to Mars on a Cybertruck. I can't wait till they have the technology for cars to just be like all around vehicles, not even all terrain, but I mean like all around. So it flies, it can act as a submarine, it can drive on roads. Yeah, I think that's the future that I want. That'd be fantastic. You're sitting on major support. You could see X Fund go up to $1,076, which would be approximately 171% upside. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. But this is the zone in which you want to accumulate. So this is good. This is very good. X Fund looking solid. And then I guess for a bull run, sky's the limit there. Sky's the absolute limit. Am I forgetting something? I feel like I am. I feel like I am. I don't know. We're going to peek in on Jasmy, the terrible trade I jumped into. Because as soon as I got in, it started going down. Just seeing non-stop sell pressure. You gotta love it when that happens. Gotta love it. It's like, alright, I'm in the long, guys. Great. Market sell? Market sell. Yeah, he got in. Market sell? Market sell. Joke's on you. I put $50 in there. Alrighty. So markets are looking a little weird tonight. Absolutely weird. We need Asia to come in here and pick things up. But it seems like they're trying to sell in an otherwise bullish market. Oh, frustrating. So frustrating. After Alex Becker releases his meme coin, how long until it gets rugged? Considering they're famous, it probably won't get rugged for a while. Noted, whenever it launches, I would wait 3 whole days before trying to buy it. Yeah, I'd wait 3 days. I want to see that thing fall, finish falling, fall that little bit more because people gave up, and then I want to get in. That's what I like to do. Celebrity tokens always do the same thing. Always. For instance, I made a video today utilizing a celebrity token. What's my analysis on XRP? It's up at the moon, bro. Well, I guess we'll check it out. So, Mother Iggy. I made this analysis video talking about good times to buy, how to DCA, whatever. So, what happened on Mother Iggy? For 2 weeks it pumped. What did it do after that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks it sold off. 5 whole weeks. Just straight down. But, we're starting to reaccumulate here. This is good. You set your low, you bottomed out, you got your higher low. This thing has a possibility of doing great things. Sold by ETH for Sol, 50% sold. Huh? Shibarium is Shiba's layer 2. Yes, I know that. Actually, I don't think it's a layer 2. Shibarium is just the layer 1 of Shiba. So Shiba Inu is a fully functioning layer 1. Iggy looks good. You know, I was surprised. Iggy started hitting the gym. She is in very good shape. Way better than the past Iggy that I saw. Because I remember the old Iggy, I was like, I don't see it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not there with you. But this new Iggy, I'm like, whoa, wait a minute. She found the gym. She lived in there for a while. That's where she went. She just straight to the gym. That's crazy. So yeah, she has her glow up. You want to know who else been hitting the gym? Hillary Duff. If you haven't looked up Hillary Duff, look her up. Yeah, solid. She thick? Are you talking about Hillary Duff? Bro. Check her out. She looks very, very healthy, and it's a good thing. I hate the ones that start looking anorexic. I hate that. So then you're like, why? Why? Stop it. XRP. Oh, he looked up Hillary Duff. Got it. Alright, so objectively looking at XRP here, you want a pullback. You are overbought on the weekly. Like, do you know how hard it is to get overbought on the weekly? It's tough. And here you are, overbought at the weekly after finding resistance at $1.21. You want to reset. You really do. You could stay overbought for months on end, I get it, but your daily's cooked also. Like, look at how overbought you got. Absolutely insane. So, if you can find support somewhere, great opportunity to get into XRP, technically. It's just, I don't trust XRP in any of its movements, ever. I don't trust it. The last time XRP rallied, back in the long ago, let's see. It shot straight up. It shot up once. You had this harsh pullback, lower high, bear market. Just, that's all that happened. You had one good push, bear market. So it's like, oh, well, shit. It was the number 2 at one point. I know, when I first got into crypto, it was the number 2 crypto. And then the SEC's like, you're an unregistered security. And everybody was like, oh my god, it's a security? Ew, let's sell it. I don't understand the crypto space when that happens. I really don't understand, because I was like, so crypto people don't buy stocks ever? That's kind of weird. The SEC lawsuit had an effect. It's over now. Exactly, it did. I've been holding Veldrome Finance for a long time now without much gain. Time to pull out and invest in other options. It's all up to you, HQZ. I don't know. Look at the graph, though, brother. Yeah, GRT looks freaking amazing. Major breakout has already happened. Dose of football clips. Love the name. Love it. I just hate how football is a shell of what it once was. Bro, XRP looks like it has more left. I mean, eventually. But right now, you went in a straight line. You're going to consolidate for a while. You're trying to flag out, but, you know, we'll see how long that lasts. You're downtrending here. You're downtrending. Peep Velo. Okay, we got the second person talking about Velo. Who knows, HQZ? Somebody else wants to see Velo also. I'm sure it's going to be better than my Jasmy trade. Oh, we're starting to get bids. Let's go! Thought we were going to be getting stopped out right when I clicked on it. I really did. But yeah, so XRP needs to consolidate more. It shot up so fast, and now it just seems like people are relaxing. Mad Max, XRP, $2 most def. Well, now I think it's never going to hit $2. That's the problem. Anytime I hear anybody bullish on XRP, it's just like PTSD. I want to buy some to be able to sell it again. It's like, oh yeah, XRP is going to... No, sell it. Get rid of that shit. We've all heard it. It's going to 589, bro. It's going to 589. Last bull run. $1.55. 589, baby. I mean, hey. It hit 58.9 cents. It did do that. It hit that. We got to give it that. Simpsons predict 683 or something? Yeah. Most definitely not one of those. Just calling the obvious. All right. Costa Ricardo Crypto. What's up? How you doing? Welcome in. I was a victim of that. Yeah, easy plays. Yeah. When I first got into crypto, God, all I hear about is XRP. I don't know how they corner the market on new people coming in, but holy shit, all I heard about was XRP. It was like XRP's the future, the standard, the greatest thing ever. I held that thing for a year straight. It barely got above 22 cents. And then it hit 35. And then what it did, 20 cents. I was like, what the fuck? Why? I sold that shit. I was like, there's no way. I can't hold this thing for a year and it gained nothing. There's no shot. While I'm watching everything else go up in value, XRP sitting still. I was like, this is terrible. Hate it. The CEO met Trump. Nice. How do you see not voin for law? What's not voin? Easy dumb money? I don't know what that is. All right, let's go to Velo. Before I stay on this tangent of XRP and how much it irritates me. Velo, trying to find some support. I know there's going to be somebody, you just have biases. Don't we all? I mean, if you don't have a bias, I don't understand what you're doing. No idea. Alright, so Velo, you do have weekly downtrending resistance, but you also have an uptrending level of support. Looks like you're going to get an answer of what's going to happen pretty soon here. Since you did go into this coming up, and now you held support at 7378, getting the higher low is kind of a big deal. You're also above resistance right now, so you're looking at, once you do break out, the possibility of 71% upside is there. This thing does look like it's trying to reverse the trend here. And it does look like you're pretty much at the bottom. I mean, you kind of bottomed out here. So yeah, this is it looks interesting. I don't know where it could go. I'll be a lot more interested once you break 5942. Because major markups come after that. Major markups. So Velo, good accumulation range. And you would just be hoping people stay interested in it. That's really it. Your 1 hour is basically saying you want to try to rally pretty soon. That's cool. Nice little cup and handle situation. So maybe a breakout will come soon. Not sure. Looks pretty cool. You gotta watch your QB Josh Allen end the Chiefs' undefeated season. Feels good, man. If you could tackle the offense, I would care way more. But every time you tackle the offense in football, it's a penalty. So just give them flags, you know? Just give them flags. Realistically, what do I think XRP breaks this bull run? I think it struggles to get to $10. Everybody's giving it such really good evaluation. I don't know. XRP last bull run got shat on the entirety of the bull run. Never saw its all-time high. Let's just focus on it getting to its all-time high. And once we get there, once we know it's actually moving like a regular token, then we can get more predictions. But break that all-time high. XRP is going to be valuable because of who sits on the board. All banks in Japan will be using it. Yeah, but what are they using it for? Most banks, all they're using it for is transacting between banks. So it's a buy and instant sell. Just into a different currency. So not to mention all the banks, they're already holding their XRP. They're already holding it because they buy it OTC nonstop. So you need people to buy it over the exchange. Also, another kicker here, apparently to utilize Ripple's services, you don't actually have to use XRP. You could just use the ledger, which still not understanding completely how that works. I just want to see price action. That's all I want. All I see is a giant spike up. Let's see what happens when you hit some support. If it never pulls back, I missed out and I don't care. But I need to see some support. I need to see some actual patterns. I need to see something. As of right now, all XRP ever does, it pumps and falls. That's it. It has done nothing else. Pump, slow fall. Ugh. It's frustrating. This is my frustration. What it could be is something amazing, because I looked at the ledger. I mean, that thing is the most fully functioning layer 1 I've ever seen in my life. It's so damn fast, you don't even have to think about scaling. I get it. Trust me, I understand. It can handle a huge load. Do something. Do something. That's all I care about. Do something. We'll see. Look at it this way. XRP took on the SEC, the whole crypto market, and won. How can you not get behind? No, it's not a matter of not getting behind it. I just want to know, how is the price going to affect my wallet? Once again, guys, for profit stream. That's all I care about. Can I check XRT? Sure. Let's look at a real project, HBAR. What a pretty chart setup. McLovin, I don't know what you mean by setup. It's already pumped to the moon. There's no setup anymore. The party's like, people are taking away the punch bowl on HBAR. What do you mean? What a 5x do? No. A pattern would do that doesn't last 2 years. That would be nice. McLovin, I have seen stuff, but what are you saying? It's just going to go for another 162 right now? It's not a meme coin. It's an actual project. I've been a part of meme coins that pumped up like crazy, but it's like it's going to settle down. Like this euphoria everyone has. My goodness. Maybe it's because I'm too realistic to understand pullbacks will happen, so I don't really get excited for the first impulse up. The first impulse up, it's like, awesome. What's next? How far down are you going to go? Are you only going to retrace to the 786 and then take off again? Because that's hyper bullish. That's amazing. Are you going to come down to the 618? Allow everybody to get in. Are you going to do a full 50% retrace? We don't know yet. We have no clue. So all I can ever do looking at these things, it's like, it pumped like crazy. We profited. We definitely got profits. But past that, we'll see. Until you consolidate, you set up a new structure, and you get ready for another pump like that, it's kind of like, the party's over. Find something new to party in. You know? But I know everybody's going to keep holding on to it all the way down, because nobody wants to take profits. They're like, it's up 162%. I'm going to hold it forever. Why? Why not take profits? I don't understand. This diamond handing thing, I don't get it. I tried that in the first bull run. I hated it. I take a lot of profits. And I already mentioned to a lot of you how I take profits. It's like, I have a profit taking level here. I'll leave the rest for later. Who cares? That's the way I like to do it. You're getting your profits and you can put it into other projects. I gotta check out XRT. But hold on. You were talking about HBAR. That's what I was looking for. I'm getting on these tangents. I need to stop it. So yeah, HBAR right now. I said it earlier in stream. It's like you're aiming for 17,152. Once you hit that 17,152, if you break that, you can go up to 25 cents. Possibilities there. But where's the value up here? The value was all the way back down here where nobody was buying. No one at all. Nobody paid attention to HBAR at these all-time low levels. Like in this stream, when I keep pointing out, wow, this is a great accumulation zone. No one pays attention to that. They're like, oh, cool. He's talking about something that's low. Whatever. But as soon as HBAR broke this 7 level, that's where it caught people's attention. Because it's like, oh, wait a second. What's that? So on this move, most people missed out on the first 81% of the move. And now everybody wants to bring it up now that it's already up 258%. 258%. I was holding and sold at 8. You sold at 8? That's rough, man. You sold it all at 8, but then again, you gained a lot. Someone on their board might replace the SEC guy. That's awesome. That's absolutely great. But that also means as soon as he gets appointed as the SEC guy, this thing's going to sell off. Like, you buy the rumor, then you sell the news. I got almost the whole move in at 6 cents. That's freaking awesome. So that means you actually decided to pay attention to, oh shit, it spiked up the first time and it pulled back. Great time to get in. Never around trying to top blast. Yeah, I'm never around on the top of a blast off. I'm never around for that. I will have very little in there for the top of the blast off. So with HBAR, on my HBAR holdings, I already sold off half of them. And it's just kind of sitting in cash, just waiting. Actually, I might put it into combo, if I'm being honest. Either combo or GRT. Oh, somebody brought up GRT. I need to look at GRT too. But right now, on your daily time frame, you can see you're severely overbought. And if you go to your 4 hour is already trying to start putting in some hidden bearish divergence. Basically, it's trying to top out. It's trying to be like, okay, we bought a lot. We're going crazy. Because, I mean, noted, you're up 258%. That is insane. That's awesome. Go hit some overhead resistance. That would be nice. But then, where should you find support? Most likely, you're going to come all the way back down to 7 cents. Most likely. If we're lucky, you stop at 11.54, and then you can buy right back in. But what'll end up happening is you'll see something kind of like a fall, a pop, hit it again, or it's going to fall through. You're not sure, but then it'll go from there. So I'm waiting for the structure. I'm waiting to see what happens, and then I can be like, yeah, thing looks great. Let's go. Let's jump in there. But HBAR is likely going to 80 cents by April. April's a long way away, man. Long way away. Plenty of opportunities for consolidation. On consolidation portions, that is a great chance to jump in. You profited from the best spot. For those who like to hang on the most, like who like to hang on for the duration of the bull run, great, awesome, hang on to this thing. You got out of the lows, enjoy hanging on to it. I'm going to enjoy the profits I had, where I can either invest it into new tokens, buy the dips on this token, do something else. To just solely have it in the asset the entire way up, I feel like you're not maximizing gains. That's just my thought, but everyone has their own method. 6 months, yeah? Alright, I was supposed to look at shit. I said I was supposed to look at something. GRT, that's right. So GRT, damn, it's already taken off. But why I mentioned GRT is because I pointed this one out while ago. I was like, falling wedge, great, upsloping, awesome. XRT, yes, I need to look at that. We had the liquidity grab here, great. You even managed to hold this low, which is absolutely surprising to me. But now, you're heading up to anywhere between 29.84, 40.57, or 51 cents. Dude, I bought 100 of UFO and Pulse Chain months ago. Totally not expecting 11x. Also, the Grays currency that did a 6x also. Wait, so far, I was not really expecting that. Nice surprise on Pulse Chain. Wait, Pulse Change is pumping? That's awesome. I don't pay attention to Pulse Chain too often. So that's cool that it's working. That's great. Yeah, I really don't pay attention to Pulse Chain. What the hell? What's XRT? Oh, it's on Kraken? What happened? What happened? Oh, what happened? That's a scary wick. That's a really scary wick. I don't like that wick. I really don't like that wick. That wick scares the crap out of me. Ugh. Scary as hell. Buyer stepped in. That's true. It's just that wick, it's frightening. It's so low. It's never seen prices that low. That's scary. That looks like long liquidations. That doesn't just look like selling off. That looks really terrible. I mean, I guess positive. You're trying to hold support. That's good. That's scary. That's really scary. And it's not even alt season yet. That's true, Rich. No, that's crazy. Pulse Chain is doing that. It's the guy who like founded Pulse Chain. I don't like that guy. I really don't. Even when he talked about Hollow Chain, I didn't like him. And then he did the Hex stuff last bull run, right? He was part of the Hex something or another. I guess this thing has the opportunity of going up. It's just that wick. That's a scary wick. Yeah, typically when you get wicks like that, you'll get more. That's true. Like, a lot of people are going to see, can we force it down there again? Alien, UFO, space themed coins are doing well this season. Oh, that's because of the whole alien thing that's going on from Congress. He's all about the community winning. I guess I just didn't wait. Am I thinking of the wrong guy? I don't know. I'm thinking of that one guy who basically kept taking all the profits, buying just luxury items nonstop, and then essentially just shitting on anybody who didn't like his project. I think that's why I didn't like him. I was like, whoa, why are you just constantly bad mouthing everything when people give you any form of criticism? Why don't you just prove them wrong? I don't know. I feel like that would be okay. Richard Hart, he gets a bad rap. Alright. I'll try giving him a chance again. I think I'm thinking of the right person. I'm not all the way sure. Richard Hart. Let me pull up a picture of this guy. Oh no, yeah, this is the guy I was talking about. Yeah, I don't like this guy. Every time I hear him talk, I don't like that guy. That's exactly who I was thinking of. Robonomics is a giant robo sleeper AI. I've never heard of that. Browser from BTC. He owned since 2009. He was already a billionaire. Oh, okay. He's a character? Yeah, he is definitely a character. That's for sure. It was the way that he was talking to people, I didn't like it. So I just kind of, anything he said, I stopped listening. I didn't like it. The way he was speaking at the start of the last bull run, very condescending. That was the thing that bothered me. It was literally the way he spoke seemed like, I'm better than you and I know it, and you need to deal with it. And it's like, I didn't like that. So as soon as I saw, it was like two times he was like being interviewed and he was speaking that way, that I was like, well, I'm done listening to this person. I don't like that at all. I like it better when people come down to your level. They speak to you like a normal human being. Like, if they say like, "Oh, because noted he was doing some interview talking about holochain, and it was like, "Oh, well, holochain's gonna be the future anyways." It's what I was like. Okay, I'm glad you like holochain, but what the heck is this attitude, bro? Can we look at Sui? No, I'm not sick of Sui. It's fine. Sui, I still think is a great play for this bull run. Not sick of it one bit. I was just explaining why this guy, the way he was talking, I didn't like it. I really didn't like it. Those people are usually attacking him, so he brings them to debate their issue on his YouTube. Oh, okay. I've never watched his YouTube. I just watched the interviews. So, we're going to check out XCN, then we're going to check out the Sui token. All right, Chris? You know what I mean, though? Okay. Well, you know what I mean. It's just like, Alright, XCN looking kind of strange. Let's just get back to the TA. Enough of the ranting. So XCN, it's really trying to maintain these highs right here, which also, it's down here. What was I doing? Hold on, was that a daily one? Sui is nice. Wish I bought more when I had the chance. I think you still have the chance. Sui, I think, is going to be one of those. I think Sui is going to act a lot like Solana did last bull run. So I think you have tons of chances to buy Sui. Just my thought. Alright, so XCN, you're still moving on up. Moving on up. You are waiting for this 48% upside to play out. But on your daily, you are in the bullish control zone. It does look like you're trying to top out a little bit. Maybe. XCN looks pretty interesting here. Specs Music, hello there. KRLI. The chart was so weird. I'll check it out. Is it KRL or is it KRI? When putting tickers up, guys, if you use all capitals, it helps a lot. Helps a lot. It's an L? Okay. So yeah, XCN, we're still just waiting. You could see a little bit of downward movement, but it doesn't seem likely. Seems like you're trying to hold support right now, and you're trying really hard to hold this support. So as long as you stay above this 16022, then you could very well see the next leg up, heading up toward 24148. If you do come down, you'll look for support around the 14482 level. And noted, if you did come down and you did that, it would not be a bad opportunity to get in. But right now, it does look like you're trying to reset while trading sideways. Love to see that. If Bitcoin can start giving us some upside momentum, it'll help out this trade a lot more. Help it out a lot more. Let's check out Sui. Sui's up 1.9. So Sui out here just going. Still looking for Sui to get up to this 230 level or 430 level. Beyond that, I don't have a clue. But this thing is resetting while trading sideways. Sui looks ultra strong. It is Alexio. What is up? How you doing? Are you in NorCal or SoCal or MidCal? SoCal. I'm in Orange County, California. South Orange County, to be more precise. I don't live in the ghetto. Sorry to someone who lives in the ghetto part of OC. All right. KRL. But yeah, so right now, Sui looks pretty good, Chris. Looks pretty darn good. You are just looking for a little more upside. But noted, you're also in price discovery, so this could just run. So just fair warning there. It could literally just keep running. But on your 4 hour, you do have hidden bearish divergence. So hitting this measured move could mark the start of a pullback. But your hidden bearish divergence started back here. All the way back here. So all this upward movement, strength has been coming down. Crossing fingers, biggest holding. It's your biggest holding? Yeah, for me, I would have already started taking profits, if I'm being honest. Would have started doing that. Definitely would have started that. We're going to see what the weekly candle brings you, but it's kind of looking like you're going to get a weekly candle close right around where you're at. We're looking for a pullback. We'll see how the week pans out. I wish you the best of luck, Chris. Wish you the best of luck. KRL. Is this thing literally called Krill? We're going into the sea? It's crazy. I don't know what this project is. I've never heard of it. So, checking out Krill. Krill? It's literally called Krill. It's crazy. Get those omegas in. Get those omega 3s, everybody. Krill. Google invested in it. Did it really? Oh yeah? Well, Amazon invested in AVAX. What now? It reminds me of like elementary school. My dad's stronger than your dad. No, he's not. I don't know why that pops in my head. It just did. Sorry. Welcome to my weirdness. Welcome to Porky's Weird Mind. I don't like that. You impulsed up, you lost support, now you bearishly backtested it yesterday. I don't like that. I don't hold it. I was just looking at new coins and this one seemed interesting. Okay, alright. Bro, look at what? Hasbullah's cat Barsk. Hasbullah is hinting at a Binance listing coming this week. The fuck? Where's it listed, Rex? Also, what's the ticker? There's no way I'm going to type in Hasbullah's cat Barisk. I'm butchering the hell out of that name, and I know it. And I'm feeling dumber by the second trying to read it. Oh my goodness. Barisk? That's the name of it? Okay. We'll see if we can find it. Yeah, this chart looks nasty. So you had major moves up, but this is the problem when you don't backtest levels of support. You didn't even backtest it here. Yeah, this chart looks weird to me. I don't like this chart. Volume is nutty. It has momentum. Okay. Alright, we'll have to check that out. I bought Hasbullah's cat on Sol a few days ago, and it tanked. Hopefully, that's the same one. I'm a millionaire? Oh boy. It's on Deck Screener and got Mexi and Gate.io listing yesterday. Oh, very nice. Can I look at Dasha, please? Vafu? I need to talk to some of these coin devs. I'm gonna get really mad at them, making me try and read this shit. Oh my gosh. We need to have Universal. Kind of like, you know, HBO Max, Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, all those other watching services. We all need to have a discussion with them. Same volume. So when I switch from one to the other, I'm not blowing out my eardrums. You know? Just, oh my goodness. Anyways. Yeah, so this, I really don't have much to say, except for I think it's going to come down. If it doesn't come down, see you at $1. HQZ, how do you know it? Wait, what? Oh, I'm definitely not going to Deck Screener, though. I'll tell you that much. I'm not going to Deck Screener. So we're going to look at that thing just al dente. Fuck, I may have to leave work and go check on that. As was saying, this will be the fastest meme to 1 billion market cap. It's at 200 million in 2 days. Well, that's cool. I know I was supposed to look at something else. VRA. There we go. VRA. I'm going to check it out, guys. We had requests before you. VRA was the request before you. HQZ's in panic mode? Oh. HQZ might be a millionaire. Let's go. Yeah, Rex, we're going to look at it. But we're going to look at it al dente. Don't go saying you love somebody. Don't do that. Your loved ones will be mad at you. Let's just get the next level. Just in case. Oh, it's right there. Okay, never mind. Alright, VRA. You are sitting in an accumulation range, but you have not confirmed the bottom just yet. You're close, though. Look at Jasmy and Mickey. I mean, we looked at Jasmy. I'm going to trade on Jasmy. Hey! We're no longer in the red. Let's go, baby! We'll check out Mickey. Alright, so you do want to confirm a bottom, so you're more than likely going to come back down here to 2082. If you can hold that 2082 as support, phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Let's check out the daily real fast. Yeah, your daily's backtesting that 200. Your 50 simple is sitting right at support. So you're probably coming down here before you see more upside. This thing actually does look like it's trying to bottom out, so I do like it. But man, oh man, was that a move. That was a big move. That was great. Checking out your 4 hour. And your 4 hours trying its damnedest to reset without touching support. How dare you? You impatient jerk. So I'm guessing you're going to start putting in a lower high, lower low, lower high, get that touch, and then get moving. So that's what I'm seeing out of VRA. VRA does look interesting. If you do break that 3668 level, 6840. Looking pretty good. SC pumping to the moon. Let's see what SC did. Was SC the one that I said I didn't like and I thought it was going to go down? Is that the one? On Kraken? Oh no, it's not the one. It's the one I said would go up. Okay, we're good. Chris? Did you just say to the moon on 7%? Did you? Chris. Get off the 1 minute. Jeez. Stop staring at the 1 minute time frame. All you guys. It's pumping! 1 minute. That's what you're doing. 1 minute. Is SE Starcat? No, it's SIA coin. SIA coin. Alright, let's go ahead and check out Hezbollah. Meet Damien. Porky sounds like you meet to say regular bearish divergence on Sui, hidden bearish divergence. No. Sui has hidden bearish divergence. No, it's hidden because the price keeps going up. It's hidden. If the price was going down with the strength going down, that's bearish divergence. Hidden bearish divergence is price going up while strength going down. If I learned that wrong, I'm sorry, but that's the way I learned it. Thanks for your input, no problem. I gotta find this Hezbollah thing. What the hell was it called again? But Barski? Barski? Y'all are doing me dirty out here. That's what you're doing. You're doing me dirty. Bar it. God damn it. Barsick? Is it Barsick? Did I get it? Is it Barsick? I can't read. It's regular bearish div? You think? Interesting. That was a nice consolidation, but let's see what happens in the coming days. This thing's brand new. I don't know what to say. It's absolutely brand new. Hopefully it holds. Let's go. To the moon, baby. Woo! So the way I was learned on this was if you see the strength coming down while price moving up, that was hidden bearish divergence. Hidden divergence is during price retracements. I understand what hidden bullish divergence is. Why would hidden bearish divergence be any different than the exact opposite? Regular bear divergence is when price is going up. Tyrant! Oh, wait a minute. No. Because I thought regular bearish divergence was when price was coming down, then as it bounced up, it's setting a lower high, while strength was getting overbought again. I thought that was regular bearish divergence. Or was I mistaken and I flipped the two in my head? I have Google. What the? Well, son of a bitch, he was right. He was right. Yep, he was right. I just looked it up. I had him flipped in my head. Son of a bitch. I would have been liquidated. That's terrible. Can't believe I had those switched in my head for so long. Oh. It's been years. That's crazy. That is crazy. Well, now I need to look at bearish divergence way different. God damn it. You have a cheat sheet? Bro, I did all this off memory. And I flipped those two. Now I'm pissed about it. Because I've seen... So I called... So the hidden bearish divergence, I've been calling it bearish divergence nonstop. Because it just makes the most sense to me. Oh, it's lower price, higher relative strength. They got fucked. This price is going down for sure. And it was really easy for me to read it. But now... You have a divergence cheat sheet? That's funny. Damn it. All is forgiven. We all shall be students of... Yeah, I'm not afraid to learn new things, especially when I get terms wrong. It pisses me off most of the time. Oh well. So, anybody who's wondering what we were just talking about, I'm going to now find the hidden bearish divergence, which we will most likely see right around here. So you can see a high in price right here. And then as you got your second high, higher in relative strength, showing that, oh, and it's a lower price technically. So if we zoom in here, you see the high right here is technically higher than this high. But if you look at the relative strength between the two, high in the relative strength is right here, whereas this one is now overbought. This is the hidden bearish divergence while hitting a downtrending line of resistance, which was indicating you're about to get effed in this market. And it then did. Yeah. So it's funny because when I short, I don't realize this whole time I saw that as bearish convergence. So it was like I was honestly always looking for it, so it was easy for me to see it. So now that I know, that is referred to as hidden bearish divergence, and all this other stuff I've been seeing about things topping out is just bearish convergence. Yeah, I've been reading the harder stuff this whole time. Yeah. I blame learning how to trade in the bear market. That's what I blame. Yeah. Frustrating. So frustrating, but it is what it is. I have been corrected. Meme season, okay? I feel like somebody asked for another token. Mickey. That's what it is. Mickey. You're giving me another meme coin? What are we doing here? You're lucky I can find this on TradingView. You are gosh darn lucky. But we're going to chart whatever I found on TradingView. That's what we're doing here. To send me to Deck Screener, that's going to cost $5. $5. I'm a cheap whore, but I am a whore. I'm joking. I'm not a whore. I'm married. There's a difference. Huh. I'm glad you got out of that section. That's good. That was a lot of resistance right there. There's nothing in between here. This thing's called Steamboat? You still in the trade? Yeah, I'm still in it. Oh, we're going down again. No. What's up? And you're trying to put it in the dryer?
It's in the sink, so it can probably drain all night. It's keeping the washer off balance. It won't spin to it.
Okay. Right now? Give me 1 second, guys. I gotta help with a pillow. I'll explain when I get back.
Pang looks good. It does look good. I was trading that one the other day. So there was a pillow in the washer that now it's waterlogged. So yeah, it's awfully hard to move apparently because it's surprisingly heavy because it's filled with water. Me being the man of the house, I had to then grab pillow. That's pretty sad that I had to grab a pillow. Alright, so this thing, Steamboat, you are more likely to hit support. Oof, it's going to take forever to dry. It is. Putting it in the tub so it can just drip all night. Hopefully it doesn't get mildewy. It's not going to be fun. Not going to be fun. So, more likely than not, you're going to come down and touch support. What you would love to see is a touch of support, breakout, touch it again. On that second touch, that will be a great time to jump into this thing. Till then, let it consolidate, let it do its thing, let it chill, let it whatever. But then, once you get that second test, buying time, buying opportunity. And you should see the price fly straight up to like 5644 after that. But consolidation is more likely to happen right now. So enjoy the time of consolidation. Enjoy. Let's check out Pang. Pang. So it's funny with Pang. I'm really mad that I sold it when I did. I bought Pang for the first time last year when it first came out, and then I think I got like a 10x on it, and I sold it. I was like, okay, I didn't realize I was gonna later on be able to futures trade it. I was like, wait a minute, this thing not only got onto an exchange, but holy hell, it did really good. So yeah, that's the life I'm in right now. The life of regret. But on your daily, it looks like you're consolidating a bit. Your 50 simple is sitting right below you. Also, you do have support sitting down here at 1605. If you get that 1605 again, that might be the best buying opportunity, considering you fell below, you popped up, you kind of held it, but you just broke this little downtrend of resistance. Come down and touch it again. Find that support. Once you have it, off to the races. Could see anywhere between 3082 and 5641 coming in. Very possible. Can you check our SHDW? You got a spot bag? Sure. We'll check out eGold first. We'll check out eGold for Connor. Checking out Pang on the 4 hour. 4 hour does look like it's resetting pretty well. You're about to go test the 200 simple. Hopefully, if it does continue down, it's quick. Give us like a wick. Just real fast. Like touch and go. That'd be great, but we'll see what happens. And since it continued down, we could just redirect it like this. Oh my god. So we could be a prolonged consolidation. That's frustrating. I don't like that. That's pretty frustrating. But yeah, so that's Pang right now. Just looks like more consolidation ahead. You're waiting for a breakout. Just waiting for that breakout. eGold coming next. Let me just peek in on Jasmy real quick. Jasmy's up 1%. Jasmy's giving us some hope. Am I not negative? I'm not negative. We got some hope here for Jasmy. We got some hope. Actually, I think somebody did mention Jasmy. I remember that. But Jasmy, we're hoping for this 22% upside move. We're in a consolidation pattern looking to break. Hopefully it does. Now, eGold. What is that? KRO is up 14%. I don't even know what that is. So eGold actually is on a fresh breakout right now, which is great to see. Daily time frame, you can see this downtrending level of resistance. You broke out once, you fell back in, you broke out twice. Now you're hanging out outside of it. Great to see that. Now you are trying to get the breakout of the 32.75. If you get that breakout, anywhere between 37.27 and 44.96 are your targets. Maybe you get to keep going past that because you already bottomed once, you back tested it again, and you could be looking at that 67.25 level, but we're going to wait and see. I am currently holding a decent sized bag of this. It's not a very large bag, it's decent, but it's trying to get out of my accumulation range, which I'm not a fan of. And if any of you want to see what my ideas for accumulation are, you can definitely see the video I posted today and give you some insight on the way that I like to accumulate. So, there's that. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out SHDW. Shadow token. I want all the data. Shadow. Interesting look. Interesting look. I guess you have some bullish convergence. That's cool. More strength coming in. I gotta stop calling it hidden. Thanks, man. No problem, Connor. No problem. Guess I gotta call it that, yeah. So this is one where you don't know where the bottom is, so you can't really take action on this just yet. Sorry, I got lost in the sauce right there. That was bad. So right now what I would be expecting is a test at this level at 44.89 and then coming right back down just to confirm your lows. That would be fantastic. Noted that test to the upside could go as high as 56.95, just like it did last time. But you are downtrending. So with the downtrend in play, you could theorize you will end up going just to here, back down, maybe again, back down, up, and then down. You could consolidate for a while. That's what I'm basically saying. But if you get another chance at this 25-cent level and it holds, could be the best buying opportunity yet. And if you break that 56.95 level, well, you're pretty much going to the sky. Just straight back, getting a sunburn and going absolutely insane. So Shadow's interesting, but it is consolidating and trying to find a bottom right now. So I would not try jumping in before that. Just personal opinion. But you're going to do whatever you want to do. You're going to do whatever you want to do, son. On your daily, it's tried to bottom out on the daily, which is basically showing you're more than likely to go get that test up here before you come back down. More than likely. Crypto Naughty taking notes. That's funny. That's really funny. I like that emote. That's great. Some might argue you confirmed a bottom here. I disagree because you can't see it on the weekly. You can't see it. So I don't believe it yet. Just don't believe it. It's not enough confirmation for me. Not enough. But noted, if Bitcoin decides to get all buck wild and crazy, well, this thing could just fly out of there and just be like, hey, we double bottomed. Deal with it. That's all you get. The possibility is there. In reality, you're really going to be focusing on what happens when you break this downtrending level of resistance. It's really the big deal. In the meantime, it could just bounce around in here all crazy like, not making any sense. You'll be like, what's going on? Well, no idea. It's a soul play, not really been playing out. Got it. That happens. That happens. We need more retail. That's what we need. Because, I mean, look at Dogecoin. All night tonight, we were focusing in that it was like, hey, it broke out. It's up 4%. And it stopped. We need more retail. We need more oomph, more chutzpah. You know? Just sitting out here moseying along. Moseying along. Let's check back in on Bitcoin real fast. Oh, Bitcoin's going up. That's good. What the hell is Bone? I know what Bone is. Oh my god, it's crazy. It's coming! Mad Max. Whoa. Put a condom on, bro. Jeez. It's crazy. Alright. Yeah, SHIB's up a little bit. I'm more surprised Bonk isn't falling faster. That's my biggest surprise. So for those of you paying attention to Bonk still, we had a rising wedge pattern. We broke bearishly out of it. We have a downtrend right now, trying to maintain support at this level. If this level breaks, straight down, 3367. just straight down. All your moving averages on the 15-minute have converged bearishly. Checking out the 1 hour here. Pepe killed it. Pepe had a great run. Absolutely great run. 1 hour wants to start heading down. So this thing is set up greatly for some downside potential. And if I were a betting man, I would think this thing's going to at least come down about 14%. I do think something else has to happen to get the whole market to come down, but we're going to leave this up here. If it manages to break to the upside, well then, hey, it's going to run. It's going to run a lot. It's in price discovery right now. It's just going to go. Shiba Inu struggling right now to stay above its 1 hour 200 simple moving average, but you get a breakout of this 2677 level very quickly. You could see 3854 play out. You could also see it go crazy. Have I already looked at Pepe? Yes. We'll look at it right now. You're in this consolidation pattern for Pepe. You're at the bottom of the consolidation pattern. Your 1 hour, it's stochastics pointed down, but you're sitting in neutral territory. If you can hang on to this level long enough, you could see Pepe go up something like 36% upside, possibly even testing this 2955 level. But Pepe also, price discovery mode. You're at all-time highs, chilling out up there. Well, at least you were. But it's just trying to reset, trying to get those moving averages to get a little closer. That 50 simple on the 4 hours getting very close. Maybe you get one final leg up before the retracement. Maybe it just moonshots and goes sideways. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. But I would expect after this move up, a bit of consolidation, a bit of downtrend, a bit of meh movement. That would be ideal. But yeah, we're just we're waiting for it to stop consolidating. Would be wonderful if it did that. Would be wonderful. This one got me yesterday. I was trying to go long, and then I was like, oh, we're going short. It got me on both sides. Got me on the long and the short. I was like, okay, all right, just choppy. Got it. I understand. I get it. Out here ruining trades. So yeah, we're just not looking at Pepe. Jasmy, we're still up 1%. We're killing it. We're killing it. Wow, I got out of my anchor trade a little too early. No, I didn't. Still setting lower highs. Anchor, by the way, could be going up 95%. Just a heads up. I'm holding this thing long term. I was trying to trade it. Had to get out of the trade. I wasn't having the feel goods on this. Even though we have this gorgeous supply line right now to the upside, after we tried to break out, we broke out, we back tested several times. Now we're starting to make that move up. It looks great. It looks ready to run. I mean, even on the 4 hour, you can see resistance, support. Let's go. It's just not let's going, you know? It's like failure to launch here. But yeah, a lot of upside on this one. A lot of upside. So I'm just going to let the long-term holds hang on to it and enjoy, but it's kind of a shame. Kind of a shame. Another one I'm waiting for the nice big breakout is Cody. You can see the beautiful consolidation. You got the downtrend here. Once we break above this 11,508, 25 cents is your target. Like it's kind of a big deal. Kind of a big deal, you know.
You had support, you fell through it, you broke above it, you held support. Longer you stay in this little accumulation range, the better. You're then looking to go up and test that higher level. There's nothing in between. There's nothing. Should be great. Should be. Another one that actually started moving today was C98. Started to do something, which I loved. I was like, awesome. Let's go. Still in accumulation range, though. Tons of upside. I mean, tons of upside. And the fact that you're still below your weekly downtrending level of resistance, you're going to see C98 one day up like 100%. You're like, oh my gosh, what happened? It went to go test its demand line. That's what happened. That's all it is. Simple testing of things. Just got to find these things when they're this low. Down here. This is where the millionaires are made. This is where some exit liquidity is made. Still watching. Hell yeah, we're watching Uni. Hell fucking yes, we are. I literally look at Uni every beginning and ending of day. Every single day. Uniswap, beginning and ending. Every single day. It is so close to breaking out. It's obnoxious. Every day. Look at this. It has the possibility of breaking out. It really does. As soon as you break this downtrend, I mean, 1493 more than likely going to happen. Right away. Just right away. And that is a 60% move. I want every piece of that. You know what? We're going to do that too. I want every piece of that. It looks better than KFC. Finger licking good, you know? Just, whoo. Whoo. So hopefully it breaks out soon. Oh, the 15 minute. 15 minute is basically saying, nah, we're not ready yet. No, you keep looking at us. We're changing. No. It's messed up. It's messed up. That's how you miss trades right there. So yeah, Chris, we're still staring at this. I'm ready and waiting. I am ready and waiting. Wow, storage is actually starting to move. Go figure. Who looks at the 3 hour? What the heck? It's weird. Storage is doing its best. Oh boy. Alright, I'm starting to get tired. Also, I can't think of what my next video that I make will be. Any ideas? What to do if you didn't DCA? You just buy in. That would be a very short video. Like, yeah, you just throw money at it. Hope for the best. Yeah. Yeah, I used this one as an example for that video. Oh boy. Hold on. This thing stopped me out and it popped right back up. This thing doesn't want to be traded. That's all this is.
This doesn't want to be traded whatsoever. Oh my. Really? Okay, the wick. It's like, yeah, we're going down. We're going up. What? You liquidity grabbed people? Like, what the heck? Oh, that's obnoxious. All right. Well, I guess I'm going to wrap things up here. Hopefully you all have a wonderful rest of your evening. Get some sleep, everybody. Sleep is good for you. Try not to stress about these markets. And yeah, hopefully tomorrow we don't have so much chop when we actually have like a direction. That would be phenomenal. But we'll see what happens. And hopefully no missiles are shot into Moscow. That would be really helpful. But yeah, keep your stop losses tight. Have a great evening. If you haven't done so, please like the stream and subscribe and do all that stuff. Other than that, catch you later. Oh, join the Discord. It's in the description. It's a great place to be. Alright, later everybody. Deuces. I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm going to bed. I'm out of here. Later, Rich.